A project pursuing CITES certification gains significant advantage by explicitly incorporating pollinator goals into vegetation planning from the outset. The strategies supporting pollinators, diverse native plantings, seasonal floral resources, and chemical-free maintenance all address multiple CITES credits, including pollinator support, native plant communities, wildlife habitat, and sustainable maintenance, creating efficient multi-benefit design. For projects pursuing both LEED and CITES certification, typically LEED for the building and CITES for the surrounding landscape, pollinator integration offers exceptional value. The same native plantings, habitat features, and management practices can contribute to credits across both rating systems. Although there might be some differences, pollinator gardens with diverse native plants can support LEED's Protect and Restore Habitat credit while directly addressing the CITES credits for native plant communities, pollinator support, and wildlife habitat. Pesticide-free management practices align with both LEED's encouragement of integrated pest management and CITES chemical reduction requirements.